Hello everyone, I'm Sam. Microwave communication may remind you of optical fiber transmission. Optical fibers are widely used for transmission thanks to their large capacity, flexible networking capability, and long transmission distance. So what's so special about microwave compared to optical fibers?
With their large capacity, flexible networking capability, and long transmission distance, optical fibers are widely applied in communication networks. Compared to fibers, what is special about microwave? In mountainous areas, forest regions, lake districts, deserts, and densely populated urban areas where obtaining the rights of way is difficult, construction of fiber networks may be expensive and time-consuming. In contrast, microwave links can traverse complex terrains, and large microwave communication networks can be built within a short period of time. In addition, microwave communication can recover quickly after natural disasters. However, as a wireless transmission technology, microwave communication is affected by terrain and weather. Because spectrum resources are limited, carriers must apply for frequency licenses.
Now we understand that microwave and optical fibers are used in different scenarios and are both important for telecommunication. That's all for today. Thank you.